In this video, we will learn how to find the number of triangles for these diagrams. Okay, so now there are three methods by which this question can be solved, and let us get started with the method number one. So the method number one is that in these triangles we have to count the number of triangles in the bases. So this is 1, 2, 3, and there are three triangles in the base. So for this we will allocate n is equals to 3. Here the number of triangles in the base is equals to 4. So we will say that n is equals to 4. Similarly, over here n is equals to 5, and hence we are going to write n equals to 5, and here we have n is equals to 6, so we write n is equals to 6. Okay, so the method number one is that we can simply remember the values of the number of triangles for the particular values of n. That is, if n is equals to 2, then the number of triangles will be 5. If n is equals to 3, then the number of triangles will be equals to 13. For n equal to 4, number of triangles is equals to 27. For n is equal to 5, number of triangles is equals to 48. For n is equals to 6, number of triangles is equals to 78. For n equals to 7, number of triangles is equals to 118. And for n equals to 8, number of triangles is equals to 170. Now over here n equals to 3, so the number of triangles over here will be equals to 13. Here n is equals to 4, so the number of triangles will be 27. For this diagram n is equals to 5, and hence the number of triangles will be 48. Here n equals to 6, and hence the number of triangles will be 78. But then this method is all about remembering this table. Okay, and if you don't want to do this, then let us check out method number 2, and that is over here we are going to use a basic formula, and that formula is that number of triangles is equals to n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8. Okay, here n is equals to 3 as we have told you earlier, and over here n is equals to 4. Let us solve using this formula. Alright, now for n is equals to 3, number of triangles will be 3 into 3 plus 2 will be 5 into 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 7, divided by 8. Now this quantity comes out to be equals to 13.125, and therefore we take the integral part only and we say that the number of triangles is equals to 13. And over here, applying the same formula, that is this one, we say that the number of triangles when n is equals to 4 is given by 4 into 6 into 9 divided by 8. Okay, and this comes out to be equals to 27. So here the number of triangles will be 13, and here the number of triangles will be 27. Similarly, for these two questions again we are going to use the same formula, and the formula, let me repeat it again, n into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 divided by 8. When n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the number of triangles will be given by 5 into 7 into 11 divided by 8. So this will give you 48.125, and hence we are going to take the integral part only. Therefore the number of triangles will be 48. Okay, and in this case n is equals to 6. Now again, when n equals to 6, applying the same formula, we say that the number of triangles will be 6 into 8 into 13 divided by 8. So this 8 will get cancelled and this will come out to be equals to 78, and hence the number of triangles will be 78. Okay. Now method number 2 relies upon remembering this formula, okay, and taking only the integral part. as was done in this case. Okay. Now let us check out method number 3. Now let us check out method number 3. So here again n is equals to 3. Simply write down 1, 2, 3. Write 1 over here. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Then add these numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 will give us 10. Then use the method drop and pick method. That is, you drop this, you pick this, and then you drop this. That is, you add the number 3 and hence we get our answer as 13. Similarly, for n is equals to 4, simply write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 1 over here. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. 6 plus 4 will give us 10. You add all these values, we get 20. And then again, drop, pick, drop, and pick method, right? Then you add these numbers, that is 6 and the number 1. So plus 6 plus 1, and hence we get our answer as 27. Similarly, for the last two questions, again here n is equals to 5. Simply write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. 6 plus 4 will give us 10. 10 plus 5 will give us 15. You add these numbers and hence we get 35. And then drop, pick, drop, pick, and then drop. So you add this 3 and this 10, thereby getting the answer as 48. And similarly, when n is equals to 6, simply write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 1 plus 2 is 3. This will be 6. This will be 10. This will be 15. And this will be 21. You add all these numbers, we get 56. And then drop, pick, drop, pick, drop, and pick, thereby adding numbers 15 plus 6 plus 1, and hence 56 plus 22 will give you the answer as 78. So there will be 78 triangles in this figure. Okay, I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.